Perpetua Resources is leading the way in modern, responsible American mining. We are proud to be permitting the Stibnite Gold Project in central Idaho. Our project will be one of the highest grade open-pit gold mines in the country and provide the U.S. with its only mined source of the critical mineral antimony and restore an area abandoned after 100 years of mining activity. Hello, I'm Laurel Sayer, President and CEO of Perpetua Resources. I've been a lifelong advocate for conservation and have dedicated much of my career to bringing people together to identify solutions for the environment. I spent more than 2 decades working on federal and natural resource policy issues on Capitol Hill and across Idaho. My work has shown me business and the environment must work together. I'm proud to say at Perpetua Resources we're doing just that with our Stibnite Gold Project. As the leader of our company, my focus is on guiding Perpetua through the regulatory process. My legacy will be helping our team obtain final permits and setting our project up with the right team, resources, and financing to successfully transition from permitting to construction. We have a bold vision for the future. We're designing a mining project that will bring value to our communities, be a part of the clean energy supply chain, and leave a part of Idaho's backcountry better than it is today. With our vision and the current landscape, our investment thesis has never been stronger. First and foremost, we plan to redevelop one of the largest, lowest cost, and long life gold projects in the country. Given our low costs, the Stibnite Gold Project has great economics with a 15-year reserve life and a payback period of less than 3 years. Mining in America brings strong values, standards, and security. Over the last decade, we've built strong community and political support as we've demonstrated our commitment to responsible mining and restoring Stibnite. You see, most of the mining that occurred at the site took place before environmental regulations existed. This has left salmon blocked from their native spawning grounds, millions of tons of tailings strewn across a valley floor, and elevated levels of arsenic and antimony in the ground and surface water. Our project will address these problems and rewrite the legacy past miners left behind. The Stibnite Gold Project will also produce a valuable byproduct in antimony. Antimony is a key mineral for our national security, supply chain resiliency, and enabling America's low-carbon energy transition. In fact, we've already committed a portion of our antimony to help commercialize grid-scale energy storage batteries for a low-carbon future. Our company is trading at a significant discount to our project's value, despite all of our recent achievements and exciting milestones just around the corner. We expect our valuation to significantly improve as we meet our permitting milestones, creating value for our long-term shareholders. Now is the time to move the Stibnite Gold Project forward. It gives our country a path forward on addressing climate change, provides jobs, and secures our supply chains. It also allows us to help improve an abandoned mine site in need of repair. The Stibnite Gold Project is the perfect example that American mining is the solution, and American mining is ready to help.